Hello, this is Lorenzo from EventSmart, and in this video, I'll show you how you can set up a golf tournament using EventSmart. If you're planning a golf tournament or a golf outing to raise funds for a local charity or nonprofit, then this video is for you. Okay, so let's dive in by entering in a title for our golf fundraiser. So we can say something like golf or annual, let's say annual golf classic. And now let me paste in some details so we can take a look at what we are working with. So this golf fundraiser will take place on April 27th from 8 a.m. till 3 p.m. We have pricing options for individuals as well as teams, and then we have a series of sponsorships, okay? So let's start by setting up that date. Again, that is April 27th. So we'll click on the date time selector and then go to the 27th, and it's set to 8, so that's correct. And then let's set up the end time. So we'll use the slider to move it back till 3 and then click on done. So now it's time to start creating these registration options. So we'll start with the first one. And what we'll do is update the first, or I should say the existing option here. And then let's adjust this sell until date. So what we can do is say, let's sell this until the day before, and then click on done. And now let's enter in some pricing. Okay, so that's 100. We can clear the quantity. And now, to save some time, we can actually duplicate this existing pricing option a few more times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more registration options. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So now we can copy in the remaining details and fill these in. So that is now the team registration, and now we are on this sponsorship, so let's work on that. So gold sponsor, silver sponsor, got a beverage cart sponsor, and then finally the whole sponsor. Okay, so let's get that updated. And now we can go in and update these pricing. So for the whole sponsor, it's 150, beverage cart 500, silver sponsor 1,000, gold 3,000, and platinum, we'll set that to 10,000. Okay. All right, so we set up the date and have the initial registration options set up. We now need to take a look at the second option here, which is for a team. What I'm going to do is click on this gear icon to expand the advanced settings. And then we're going to take a look at the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity. So this is a foursome, which is a group of 4. So I will enter in 4 for the minimum and 4 for the maximum. And for the price, I'm actually going to set it to $87.50. And the math on that is $87.50 times 4 equals $350, which means it's $350 for a team of 4 players. Okay? So I'll click on that. And now what we can do is set up some quantities for the sponsors. So for example, let's say 18 holes, there are 3 beverage carts, 3 silver sponsors, 5 gold sponsors, and 1 platinum sponsor. Okay? All right, so we've got the date and we've got our registration options. So let's scroll up and I will click on Save Draft. And now let's follow this link and take a look at what it looks like on the front end. All right, so here is our registration options for our golf fundraiser. Again, we're offering individual registrations, or you can set up a registration for a team. So let me show you what that looks like. If I click on this here, it actually pre-selects 4, which means a team of 4 players can register for $350. So let's say I was actually a sponsor and I wanted to pick up the platinum sponsorship. Remember that we set a quantity of 1, so there's actually only 1 available, so I would select that and then click on Register Now. So that is an overview of how you can create a golf fundraiser using EventSmart. I hope you found this video helpful.